What's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video, man. I ain't gonna lie. Today is kind of crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be making some weird noises. Mika is under the impression that we're doing a mukbang, and that's just not the case, Mika. I'm sorry. I'm going to get some food right now. I'm on the way to get Shake Shack. The whole time I'm eating, I'm just gonna be making like some crazy noises, like, ugh. Hey, yo! No. I ain't gonna lie, that was pause, bro. That was pause. But yeah, I'm gonna be making weird noises like that. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'm on the way to pick up the food now. Like I said, Mika thinks we're doing a mukbang. If y'all new, go ahead, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, do everything you can. Please, we're gonna see what we have, because it's gonna be weird. It's so good. What's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video, man. It's crazy. As y'all see today, man, we're doing a mukbang. I'm gonna lie, I ate some of your fries. What the fuck is this? I did not order this. I got 2 regular fries. What is that?
It look like cheese fries.
I'm starving, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. No, this was fries.
No.
I don't want this fries.
No, this is mine.
What the hell is this?
Oh no. What you ordered?
I did not order that. Why is it spicy? Taste it.
I've been waiting for this. Oh, maybe you got the new spicy fries.
You didn't even get the spicy part.
Not bad.
You wanna switch?
No.
I was looking forward to his burger. I ain't gonna lie, y'all.
You put pickles in it?
I don't know. I'm doing no fucking pickles. What we got planned? Like, what's going on? What we doing with this mukbang? You just a big back?
Today.
Oh my god.
Are you good? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. You good? This motherfucker buzzing. How's the baby doing?
Which one?
Kalani.
Oh.
How's she doing?
I'm good.
She give you problems at night?
Yeah. As always. The contractions have been starting.
Oh! What?
Nothing.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh, Shake Shack might be top 3. No bullshit. What do you think about that? That's crazy?
It's up there. It's definitely up there.
Alright, rate it top 3. Five Guys, Shake Shack, and what's the other one? In-N-Out? Have you ever had that? No. What's the other burger place?
The one spot they used to Smashers.
Oh, Smashers, yeah.
Smashers is 10 out of 10.
What's Shake Shack ranked out of those 3? Oh!
What's up with you?
What?
Why can't I make all the noise? Is that good?
Oh, hell yeah. Oh. God, I love this shit.
You don't make those noises when I cook.
Yes, I do.
No.
You don't make burgers. I make the burgers. I make those noises when I make the burgers.
I make good burgers when I do. Babe,
What?
is that necessary? I'm trying to eat.
I might be full already, I ain't gonna lie. No, I'm not even joking. How dead it might be full.
Ew. Are you good?
Yes, are you good? Eat your food.
You're yelling in my ear. How am I supposed to focus on my food?
This motherfucker too good.
Men.
I got the itis already, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, like I'm mad tired, bro. I was not tired before I set this camera and started eating. I really wasn't.
You only ate half.
No. What?
I'm not tripping.
Yeah, you're tripping. That's how you always are. Not good?
It's good, but
Too pink?
kind of scaring me.
I ain't gonna, that's the fries.
I don't want no more of that. I thought you didn't want no Coke. It's for Kalani.
Oh my god. What?
Who are you yelling at?
Man, you keep looking at me crazy. Let me eat.
What? I can't eat when you're making all those noises.
Well, then go somewhere else.
No, cause
Go somewhere else then.
sick.
Get away then.
You move.
What the hell?
You're my
You
dad
trying to
anyway.
judge me when I'm eating. Go somewhere else with that.
Don't slap your mouth. That's not proper etiquette.
Spell etiquette. Spell it. See, she let her talk, but she can't spell it. Sad.
My brain can't function. Just move. Get away. Shoot. I can't concentrate.
You been thirsty for it?
Mm-mm. Don't touch. There's pickles in here. You don't eat that anyway, so move.
I got the itis, bro. I'm not gonna sleep, bro. Ugh.
Okay, bye.
What?
Go.
Why?
Cause I can't concentrate.
Since when need to constantly eat? Record a video right now. So if you wanna leave, you can take your ass and leave.
Who are you talking to? I hope you choke on your water.
That water fucking cold. Try this shit.
No.
Nah, try it.
Kalani don't want water right now.
You don't want water.
This is scaring me.
Now that look crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Show them. Yeah, see that? That motherfucker pink.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call them. This is not right.
Get around it. Here you go. Last bite. Oh my god.
I'm upset. Why would you do that?
Shut up, shut up. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh my god, last bite.
Baby bro, you sound like you need to go to the bathroom. Are you sure you don't need to go to the bathroom?
Oh, fuck. Oh, God. See, you doing the same shit I'm doing.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
The
you
pickle
are.
went down the wrong hole.
Hey, yo. What you mean by that? Oh, that kind of sound like crazy. The pickle went down the wrong hole.
And what you're doing don't sound crazy? Sound like you gagging on food.
I don't want this no more. I can't eat no more.
I don't know how I do it. This supposed to be a mukbang.
I'm finished now. Ugh.
Yo, I got shit.
No, I don't. Shut up. You wanna know something?
What?
Ew. I was just fucking with you. That was the whole purpose. But you really didn't give me the reaction I wanted though. Like the whole moaning shit.
So that's what we were doing?
Yep. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Also, drop some video suggestions, whatever y'all want to see down below in the comments, man. I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done, alright? If y'all drop it, I'm definitely getting it done. Everything y'all want to see is gonna be done, man. So, like I said, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I'm sorry she didn't give us the reaction we wanted, but hey, I did it, man. It is what it is. It's brazen, and we out this bitch. Let's get it, man.